Hello everyone. Mark your calendars for a groundbreaking event in the crypto world. The much-awaited HEX documentary is set to premiere on the 4th of August. Excited yet? Ever wondered how a cryptocurrency can counter skepticism and establish a loyal following? Here's a fact. HEX, under the leadership of Richard Heart, has managed to cultivate a community that stands resilient in the face of criticism. In this video, we're going to discuss not just the release date of the HEX documentary, but also delve into the strategies that Richard Heart has implemented to counter skepticism surrounding HEX. We'll explore how HEX has managed to create a cult-like status, and why its connection with Pulsechain could open up a world of possibilities for crypto enthusiasts. Make sure to follow us on Twitter, where we share all the latest updates and information about crypto. The link to our Twitter profile is available in the video description below. As a special bonus for our valued subscribers, we have an exclusive offer. If you're involved in crypto trading, we are offering up to $30,000 worth of free bonus for trading crypto on Bybit exchange. This incredible opportunity allows you to enhance your trading experience and potentially boost your profits. Simply follow the link in the description. Register a new account on Bybit and claim your bonus. It's an opportunity you definitely don't want to miss out on. So without further ado, let's dive in. This documentary holds immense importance for the HEX community and cryptocurrency enthusiasts alike. It promises to provide an in-depth look into the journey of HEX, its innovations, and the remarkable impact it has made on the crypto landscape. The release date announcement marks a significant milestone, as it brings us one step closer to unveiling the captivating story behind HEX. Richard Heart, with his unparalleled expertise and dedication, has implemented various strategies to address the skepticism surrounding HEX. He understands the importance of dispelling doubts and ensuring that the documentary offers a comprehensive view of the project. By countering skepticism head-on, Richard Heart aims to present a compelling narrative that captivates both supporters and skeptics alike. So, mark your calendars and get ready for an unforgettable experience. The HEX documentary release date is just around the corner, and we're thrilled to be able to share this momentous occasion with all of you. Richard Heart has devised a strategic move to counter the trolls and skeptics eagerly awaiting the release of the HEX movie documentary on August 4. His plan involves unveiling a captivating movie trailer that showcases the price chart of HEX, the cryptocurrency at the center of attention. Richard Heart believes that this strategic approach will help preempt the anticipated onslaught of negativity and create a powerful impact. It is important to note that Richard Hart's intention behind presenting the linear chart in the trailer is not solely to provide an accurate representation of the true price history of HEX. Rather, it serves a dramatic purpose, carefully crafted to engage and captivate the audience. By utilizing this artistic license, Richard Heart aims to evoke strong emotions, spark curiosity, and set the stage for an intriguing narrative. Acknowledging that the linear chart might not provide a precise reflection of the actual price history, Richard Heart seeks to create an immersive experience for viewers. He believes that by presenting a visually striking representation of the price movements, the trailer will convey the inherent volatility and potential rewards associated with investing in HEX. Through this unconventional approach, Richard Heart aims to generate conversations and encourage a deeper exploration of the HEX phenomenon. To gain a more comprehensive understanding of HEX's price history, Richard Heart directs viewers to visit uniswap.hex.vision, where the authentic and complete price chart of HEX can be accessed at. This platform offers a more accurate representation of HEX's market performance, providing the opportunity to delve deeper into its journey. By embracing this unique strategy, Richard Heart aims to engage viewers on a profound level, challenging them to think beyond the surface and explore the complexities of HEX. He understands that this approach may draw criticism from some quarters, but he believes it is necessary to initiate conversations and attract attention in the highly competitive cryptocurrency landscape. Richard Hart's association with HEX holds immense significance in the upcoming documentary. As the mastermind behind this revolutionary cryptocurrency, his presence brings a wealth of knowledge, experience, and passion to the project. With his unique insights and unwavering dedication, Richard Heart has propelled HEX into the spotlight, captivating the attention of both supporters and skeptics. By introducing Richard Heart in the documentary, viewers gain a deeper understanding of the driving force behind HEX's success. His larger-than-life persona and unyielding belief in the project have inspired countless individuals to take notice and become part of the HEX community. While some may view Richard Hart's extravagant possessions as a mere symbol of wealth, They are emblematic of his commitment to pushing boundaries and challenging conventions. His association with HEX is not solely about material possessions. It is a testament to his unwavering dedication to revolutionize the world of cryptocurrency. In the documentary, Richard Hart's insights, stories, and personal experiences will shed light on the motivations behind HEX and its underlying philosophy. By delving into his journey, viewers will gain a unique perspective on the creation and evolution of this groundbreaking cryptocurrency. Richard Hart's presence serves as a reminder that behind every successful venture, there is often an individual who dares to dream big and challenges the status quo. His charisma, knowledge, and unwavering dedication to HEX have played a vital role in its growth and success. As the documentary unfolds, Richard Hart's larger-than-life personality and association with HEX will leave a lasting impression on viewers. They will witness the impact of his vision and understand the passion that drives him to redefine the boundaries of the crypto world. HEX's aspiration goes beyond being just another cryptocurrency. It seeks to cultivate a loyal and devoted community that is committed to its success and vision. This loyal following forms the foundation of what can be described as a cult-like status, where members are deeply engaged, passionate, and dedicated to the Pulse ecosystem. One of the defining characteristics of HEX's community is its resilience in the face of criticism. The journey towards achieving exponential gains and a cult-like status often comes with its fair share of naysayers and skeptics. However, the HEX community understands that enduring criticism is an inherent part of the path to success. The ability to weather criticism and scrutiny is a testament to the unwavering belief of the HEX community. They recognize that true innovation often faces resistance and skepticism, and it is through perseverance and determination that groundbreaking projects like HEX emerge triumphant. HEX's cult-like following is not driven by blind devotion, but rather by a shared belief in the potential of the cryptocurrency. This community is characterized by its commitment to understanding the intricacies of HEX's unique features, including staking mechanisms and tokenomics. Members support one another, share insights, and engage in constructive discussions, fostering a vibrant and dynamic ecosystem. In addition to the success of HEX, another exciting aspect of Richard Hart's vision is the connection to Pulsechain. Pulsechain represents a new frontier in the crypto landscape, and its association with HEX opens up a world of possibility. Pulsechain holds immense growth potential and is poised to make a significant impact within the crypto community. As a Layer 1 chain, it offers a fresh and innovative approach to decentralized finance, aiming to address some of the limitations faced by existing blockchain networks. When compared to other Layer 1 chains, Pulsechain's growth potential becomes evident. Its technological advancements, combined with a dedicated community and robust infrastructure, position it for accelerated progress. In fact, Richard Hart's analysis suggests that other Layer 1 chains could potentially experience a drop in value, while Pulsechain may surge to fair value or even exceed it by a significant margin. As we look ahead to the future, the connection between HEX and Pulsechain creates a symbiotic relationship, with each bolstering the success of the other. HEX's established community and Richard Hart's expertise contribute to the momentum and adoption of Pulsechain, while Pulsechain's advancements open up new opportunities for HEX and its loyal followers. If you found this video insightful, do leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any questions you might have. Also, make sure to follow us on Twitter for real-time updates and insights. The link is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the crypto world. Goodbye.